Welcome everyone to day 17 of our 60-day fitness series for seniors. I'm so proud of you for showing up again today. If you're new here, this program is specially designed to keep your legs strong, your balance steady, and your body active. So take out your chair, get comfortable, and let's begin our exercises together. Exercise 1, seated leg extension. 50 repetitions. All right, my wonderful seniors, welcome to day 17 of our 60-day fitness journey. Today, we are beginning with our first movement, the seated leg extension. This exercise is simple but very effective for strengthening your leg muscles, especially your quadriceps, and improving mobility. So, let us get started together. First, sit comfortably on a sturdy chair. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and both feet flat on the floor. Place your hands gently on the sides of the chair for support. Now, slowly lift your right leg straight out in front of you until it is parallel to the floor. Hold it there for 1 second, then lower it back down. Perfect. That is 1 repetition. We are going to do 50 repetitions together. Stay with me and count along loudly. Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your breathing steady. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you lower. Great work. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing fantastic. Keep your back straight and your movement smooth. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway done already. How are you feeling so far? I hope you are enjoying it. Tell me in the comments below from which country you are joining today. All right, let us keep going. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent. I can see your effort. Stay strong. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Wonderful rhythm. We are almost there. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. Just 10 more to go. You can do this. Keep smiling and feel that gentle burn in your thighs. That is your muscles getting stronger. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. Excellent energy. Now give me your best effort for the final 5. 46. 47. 48. 49. And 50. Great job, everyone! You have just completed all 50 repetitions of your seated leg extensions. Take a deep breath, relax your legs, and give yourself a little pat on the back. You are building strength, mobility, and confidence every single day. Exercise 2, sit to stand, chair squats. 50 repetitions. All right, my amazing seniors, it is time for our second exercise of the day. Sit to stand, chair squats. This is one of the best movements to strengthen your legs, knees, and hips while improving your balance and coordination. It is a simple but powerful exercise that helps you move with more confidence in your daily life. Let us begin together. Place your sturdy chair on a flat surface so that it does not move. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart, your knees bent at 90 degrees, and your back straight. Cross your arms in front of your chest to keep your posture upright. Now, slowly stand up until your legs are straight, and then sit back down gently. That is 1 repetition. Remember to breathe naturally and move slowly. We will do 50 repetitions together. You and me. Ready? Let us start. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Excellent. Keep your back straight and chest lifted. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. You are doing fantastic. Keep breathing steadily. Feel your leg muscles working. 21. 22. 23, 24, 25. We are halfway there. How are you feeling? If this is your second or third day of joining, tell me in the comments how your body feels today. Now, keep going with me. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wonderful. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your knees steady. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You are doing so well, my strong seniors. Just a few more. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. Stay strong. Keep your breathing calm. Inhale as you sit. Exhale as you stand. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Now give me your best final push. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Amazing work! You have just completed 50 sit-to-stand repetitions. This exercise builds strong legs, improves your balance, and boosts your confidence when standing or walking. Take a deep breath, shake your legs gently, and smile. You are getting stronger every single day. Remember, share this video with your senior friends so they can stay active and healthy with you. Exercise 3. Standing side leg raises, 50 repetitions. Wonderful job, my strong seniors. You have already done 2 powerful leg exercises. And now we are moving to our third and final exercise for today, standing side leg raises. This movement helps strengthen your hips, improves side balance, and increases flexibility, which is very important for walking steadily and preventing falls. Let us start together. Stand tall behind your sturdy chair and hold the backrest lightly for balance. Keep your feet hip-width apart, your shoulders relaxed, and your back nice and straight. Now, slowly lift your right leg out to the side. Hold for 1 second and gently bring it back down. Then do the same with your left leg. We will do this movement 50 times, alternating sides after each lift. Are you ready? Let us begin together. Stay steady and follow my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep breathing and stand tall. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You are doing great. Do not rush. Slow and steady wins. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We are halfway there. How are you feeling? If this is your second or third day of joining, tell me in the comments how your body feels today. Let us keep going together. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent work. Keep your core strong and your movements controlled. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You are doing amazing. Share this video so your senior friends can join you too. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Just 10 more to go. Keep that smile on your face. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You are almost there. Finish strong with me. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic effort. You have just completed 50 standing side leg raises. This exercise helps your hips stay flexible and strengthens the muscles that keep you steady while walking or climbing stairs. Take a deep breath, relax your legs, and feel proud of yourself. You are getting stronger, more balanced, and more confident every single day. Great job, my champions. Keep moving and keep shining. Fantastic job, my champions. You've completed day 17 of our 60-day senior fitness series. How are your legs feeling today? Let me know in the comments. And if you finished all 50 reps, write "I did it" below. Don't forget to share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can stay strong and healthy with you. I'll see you tomorrow for day 18. Keep moving and stay young at heart.